po yung mga nanalo ngayong araw na to sa laro ng NBA. Una, Brooklyn Nets versus 76ers. 113 yung 76ers, 98 lang po yung Brooklyn Nets. Panalo po yung 76ers. Pangalawa naman, Boston Celtics versus Wizards. Panalo po yung Boston Celtics. 108, 96 lang po yung Wizards. Tapos ang pangatlo, Golden State Warriors versus Pelicans. Panalo po yung Golden State Warriors. 112, 108 lang po yung Pelicans. Ang pang-apat naman po, Atlanta Hawks versus Chicago Bulls. Panalo po yung Chicago Bulls. 136, 122 lang po yung Atlanta Hawks. Ang panglima naman po, Dallas Mavericks versus Denver Nuggets. Panalo po yung Dallas. 123, 120 lang po yung Denver Nuggets. Ang pang-anim naman, Pacers versus Milwaukee Bucks. Panalo po yung Milwaukee Bucks. 129, 117 lang po yung Pacers. Ang pang-pito naman po ay Blazers versus Rockets. Panalo po yung Rockets. 116, 88 lang po yung Blazers. Tapos ang pang-walo, Sacramento Kings versus Clippers. Panalo po yung Clippers. 104, 88 lang po yung Sacramento Kings. So yan po ang mga nanalo ngayong araw sa laro ng NBA. Tapos susunod naman po natin yung standings sa Western Conference at saka sa Eastern Conference. Unahin po natin yung Western Conference. Ang standing ngayon ay nangunguna pa rin ang Golden State Warriors. Ang record naman ng Golden State Warriors, 12 wins, 3 losses. Tapos ang pangalawa, OKC, 12 wins, 4 losses. Sa pangatlo, Boston Rockets, 12 wins, 5 losses. Ang pang-apat, Lakers, 10 wins, 5 losses. Panglima, Clippers, 10 wins, 7 losses. Ang pang-anim, Denver Nuggets, 8 wins, 6 losses. Ang pang-pito, Memphis Grizzlies, 9 wins, 7 losses. Ang pang-walo, Dallas Mavericks, 9 wins, 7 losses. Pang-siyam, Suns, 9 wins, 7 losses. Ang pang-sampo, Minnesota Timberwolves, 8 wins, 7 losses. Number 11, Sacramento Kings, 8 wins, 8 losses. Spurs, number 12, 8 wins, 8 losses. Pantay lang sila sa Sacramento Kings. Number 13, Portland Trail Blazers, 6 wins, 10 losses. Number 14, Pelicans, 4 wins, 13 losses. Ang pinakahuli at number 15, Utah Jazz, 3 wins, 12 losses. Tapos ang kasunod naman na standing sa Eastern Conference, nangunguna pa rin ang Cleveland Cavaliers. Ang record po nila ay 16 wins, 16 win, 1 losses. Sinusundan sila ng Boston Celtics, number 2, 13 wins, 3 losses. Number 3 naman, New York Knicks, 9 wins, 6 losses. Number 4, Orlando Magic, 10 wins, 7 losses. Number 5, Miami Heat, 6 wins, 7 losses. Number 6, Milwaukee Bucks, 7 wins, 9 losses. Number 7, Piston, 9 wins, 10 losses. Tapos pangwalo, Atlanta Hawks, 7 wins, 10 losses. Number 9, Chicago Bulls, 7 wins, 10 losses. Number 10, Charlotte Hornets, 6 wins, 9 losses. Number 11, Brooklyn Nets, 6 wins, 10 losses. Number 12, Indiana Pacers, 6 wins, 10 losses. Number 13, Toronto Raptors, 4 wins, 12 losses. Number 14, 76ers, 3 wins, 12 losses. Number 15, Wizards, 2 wins, 12 losses. So yan po mga idol ang standing ngayon sa Eastern at Western Conference. Kung sana nagustuhan itong video na to at bago ka lang sa channel ko, huwag sana kalimutan mag-subscribe po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at ingat po kayo.